A very good morning to our lecturer. On one note, Azida. Today, our group and I will presenting regarding the Pharmaniaga and Apex Healthcare Berhad. First of all, I could like to introduce myself. My name is Puvarsi and Balagan. My metric card number is 10 DPM 18F2050. So today, I could like to present about company background, that is Pharmaniaga Berhad. The Pharmaniaga location is the Shah Alam, Selangor. The mission of the Pharmaniaga: provide quality product and supervising service by professional, committed, and caring employee. Vision: the preferred community brand in regional market. Second is Apex Healthcare Sdn Berhad. The location is in Melaka. In vision is bring health and quality of life to through its business. Doctors and pharmacists use our medicine and technology device to treat and manage infection, cardiology, respiratory and contamination and more. Consumer use our medical powder and other healthcare related product to ensure they are getting well. We take heart in knowing our product playing a role in health and in center of life. Those are use and trust them. Vision is be the one trending company of the healthcare in Malaysia. That's all from me. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, I'm Jaminis David Chalaya. My metric card number is 10 DPM 18F2017. I'm going to talk about comparison of financial ratios. First of all is liquidity ratio, which is current ratio and quick ratio. Based on current ratio, Apex Healthcare has higher current ratio, which is 2.88, than Pharma Niaga, which is 0.78. Next is based on quick ratio. Apex Healthcare has higher quick ratio, which is 2.20, than Pharmaniaga, which is 0.26. Secondly is efficiency ratio, which is account receivable turnover. Based on account receivable turnover, Pharmaniaga has the higher account receivable turnover, which is 13.82 percentage, than Apex Healthcare, which is 4.32 percentage. And secondly is based on average collection period. Apex Healthcare has the highest average collection period, which is 83 days, than Pharmaniaga, which is 26 days. Then based on inventory turnover, Apex Healthcare has the higher inventory turnover, which is 6.30, than Pharmaniaga, which is 4.16.
My metric card number is 10 TPM 18F2030. First of all, I would like to present about fixed asset turnover. So based on the graph, shows that Pharmaniaga company has the higher fixed asset turnover, which is 4.28 times, than Apex Healthcare, which is 3.22 times. For the total asset turnover, Pharmaniaga is 1.77 times, while Apex Healthcare is 1.18 times. Based on total asset turnover, Pharmaniaga is higher total asset than Apex Healthcare. Now I would like to talk about debt ratio, which is regarding to leverage ratio. Okay, based on debt ratio, Pharmaniaga has higher debt ratio, which is 77.68 percentage than Apex Healthcare, which has to 27.03%. For the debt on equity, Pharmaniaga has higher debt on equity, which 3.46 times, which is much higher than Apex Healthcare, which has 0.37 times. For the last graph, leverage ratio based on interest earn ratio, Apex Healthcare higher interest earn ratio, which is 38.25 times than Pharmaniaga, which is 40.77 times. That's all from me. Thank you.
10 DPM 18F2058. I will explain about the profit ratios. First of all, I will explain about gross profit margin. Based on the gross profit margin, Apex Healthcare has the higher gross profit margin, which is 22.46%, than Pharma-Niaga, which is 3.33%. The second one is operational profit margin. Based on the operational profit margin, Apex Healthcare has the higher operational profit margin, which is 8.8%, than Pharma-Niaga, which is 6.8%. The third one is net profit margin. Based on the net profit margin, Apex Healthcare has the higher net profit margin, which is 7.66%, than the Pharma-Niaga, which is 5.3%. And the fourth one is return on investment. The return on investment, Apex Healthcare has the higher return on investment, which is 51%, than the Pharma-Niaga, which is 49%. The last one is return on equity. Based on the return on equity, Pharma-Niaga has the higher return on equity, which is 77%, than Apex Healthcare, which is 23%. That's all from me for the profit ratio. Thank you. On the conclusion, Surrey International should invest Apex Healthcare Berhad because this company shows more efficiency in operating the company and generate a very high profit than Pharma-Niaga. Thank you.